In this video we'll be mounting the SmartTrack components. There are two different ways to do this, depending on the arrangement of your SmartTrack. For SmartTrack mounted perpendicular to your Jeep, mount both MyLifters on the same SmartTrack. Mount the MyLifters so that the cable out is close to the original location marks. There should be 3 empty side holes between the two MyLifters. The carabiners should be mounted on the opposite SmartTrack from the MyLifters. The carabiners should be mounted on the side of the SmartTrack that is farthest from the MyLifters. The carabiners should be mounted 15 inches apart so that there are 4 empty holes between them. For SmartTrack mounted parallel to your Jeep, both MyLifters will need to face the same direction but on separate SmartTracks. Using the included pins, mount the MyLifters so that the cable out is closest to one of the original location marks. Mount one carabiner on each of the SmartTracks. Mount the carabiner on the same side of the SmartTrack as where the cable comes out of the MyLifter and 5 holes from the MyLifter. There should be 4 empty holes between the carabiner and the MyLifter. Plug one end of the DC cables into the MyLifters and the other end into the power adapters. Mount the power adapters to the SmartTrack using the universal mounts. You can mount your power adapters wherever you have room on the SmartTrack. Find your nearest available wall outlet and plug in the nearest power adapter. Plug the second adapter into the first using the additional AC outlet. Use the track covers and cable clips to make your install look its best.